Hey guys, it's Pilar. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video, we're gonna go over the 5 best apps for content creators on Pinterest. Now, I recently wrote a blog post about this. I then posted it into a Facebook group and it got a lot of comments. I think people are really interested in learning about creation tools that you can use to start getting paid to create on Pinterest. So I'm gonna go over these tools today. I'm also gonna share with you an additional 5 creation tools that I personally use. It's helped me get into the Pinterest Creator Rewards program. So if you want to get paid to pin, then definitely check out this video. We're going to get started right now. Okay, so let me just say that if you're on Pinterest and you haven't heard of Tailwind, then I don't know where you've been. Tailwind is one of the most popular choices among Pinterest creators when it comes to automating the process of pinning on Pinterest. The tool serves as a time-saving measure that not only pins on your behalf, but also suggests your optimal pinning times to get the most engagement. And since 86% of Pinterest users also use Instagram, well, Tailwind smartly created the tool to be used on both apps. Now, as an approved Pinterest partner, Tailwind safely integrates with your account, analyzes your stats, and helps you effortlessly grow on the platform. Additionally, the new Tailwind Create feature will help you quickly whip up optimally sized creatives for Pinterest and Instagram with the click of a button. It's one of the best apps worth considering if you want to be a top performing creator on Pinterest. App number 2 is CapCut. So creators who use video to engage and inspire their audience are more likely to be favored by the Pinterest algorithm. This is in part due to the popularity of idea pins, a feature that is similar to Instagram Reels. Now, CapCut is a free video editing tool available for both Android and iOS mobile phones. The video maker offers tons of features that make it easy to get started creating awesome short videos, even as a complete beginner. Use trending effects and the bundle of templates to make fast and easy creatives. The one feature you may want to avoid here is the in-app music. If you plan to submit your pins for the Pinterest Creator Rewards program, then stick with music from the Pinterest audio library to avoid getting your pins disqualified. Coming in at number 3 is Canva. Now, Canva is a tool with extensive capabilities for creating eye-popping Pinterest pins, whether it be for static images or video pins. It's hands down one of my favorite tools to use across all social media platforms. Now, simply tell Canva what creative you want to make, and it will show you the optimal size for that social media creative. Then use any of their free templates and stock images to create your pin. Make sure to also save your branded colors in your Canva account to make creating even faster. I personally use the free version for the first year before upgrading to a professional account. With a Canva professional account, you'll have a larger selection of stock images, elements, and effects available to use. Next up, we have Shuffles. Shuffles by Pinterest is a new app that quietly launched in the App Store in August 2022. The tool enables you to create interactive collages on your iPhone and includes features such as cutting out parts of a picture, sort of like scrapbooking, adding and layering animations and effects, and reshuffling for collaborative sharing. Pinterest describes the tool as the world's best tool for creative expression, powered by Pinterest's massive visual library. Shuffles is currently available by invite only. You can download the app and put yourself on the waitlist such as I did. You can also stay up to date on the rollout of Shuffles on the official Shuffles by Pinterest board. Then there is the Quotes Creator app. So quote images are plastered all over Pinterest, and at some point during your scroll, you may have encountered them in your feed. These creatives are an easy way to inspire your audience and get repins of your content. The Quotes Creator app is ideal for pinners looking to quickly create beautiful, inspirational text, pictures, and sayings to share. You'll have a variety of different images, colors, and fonts to choose from to express the sentiment behind your quote. Now, you can also add your own watermark, logo, and QR code over the image. Best of all, the Quotes Creator provides a huge library of quotes to choose from in various niches, so you won't have to waste time searching for these on your own. So now that we've gone through that, as promised, I want to share with you some other creation tools that I personally use, so this can help you out if you want to get paid to pin on Pinterest. At least I think so. So the first one is story blocks. Now I often use stock footage video in my Pinterest pins when I find myself short on time on creating videos myself. These help me to fill in those content gaps and keep me consistent on the platform. So Storyblocks is a royalty-free stock footage site with thousands of video creatives available to download. I use their unlimited plan, which doesn't cap me on how many videos I can use per month. So it's a great site to use, especially if you're batch creating pins to schedule later on. So last year, I made one of my best purchases ever. It was the Rode Vlogger kit for content creators. This kit comes with the top of the line mic for your iPhone. They have an iOS version as well, by the way, if you're an Android user. And this mic makes your voice sound noticeably clearer when recording from your smartphone. It also has a stand and a light box for creating better looking videos for your Pinterest idea pins. Now, on my recent month-long trip to Colombia, I used it to record tons of content for Pinterest and for my YouTube channel. I even recorded a short video of the Vlogger kit. I posted it to Pinterest. I'll put that link down below in the descriptions of this YouTube video. Stock images are another great help when it comes to creating eye-popping static pins. I generally use this as a backdrop on my pins. With a simple text layover, it's easy to create and can be batch created in quantity. Now, while the Canva app does offer stock images to use, I find that a lot of content creators on Pinterest are using the same images over and over again. This makes my pins less likely to stand out, so I personally prefer to use deposit photos for getting fresh stock images to use on Pinterest. Next up is copywriting secrets. Now, writing high-performing, catchy headlines is one of the most essential parts to creating Pinterest pins that get clicked on. It's the thing that gets people to stop scrolling and pay attention to what you have to say. So for this reason, it's important to know what words to use and in what combination in order to get your prospect to take action on your pin. Now, about 4 years ago, I purchased the Copywriting Secrets book to learn exactly how to do this. The book offers plug and play templates that you can use to get more people to click on your pins. If you are a content creator without a blog, then this next tool may interest you. Now, I did mention this tool in a previous video called Pinterest Affiliate Marketing Without a Blog. You can check that out. I'll post the link down below. Now, Beacons is a popular link in bio tool that enables you to host all your links on one single creator webpage. Now, this way, instead of directing your audience to multiple sites, you can send them to one place where all your links and information are held. A Beacons AI link can be inserted in your Pinterest profile for people to check out and find your products and services. I'll share an example of my Beacons page down below in the descriptions of this YouTube video. There you have it. Those are the apps and creation tools I use to create pins and idea pins on Pinterest. Now, if you have other suggestions for other apps and creation tools that you use, definitely make sure to drop those down below in the comments section. And please do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.